Creating single property websites is a great way for every real estate agent to impress their client and showcase a real estate property in a unique way. But it can also be time consuming to set up a website just for one property, not to mention tracking clicks and engagement from leads. In this video, we'll cover single property website builders that you can use to create a site in minutes. These sites offer all the tools you need to have a professional looking and functional single listing website. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. So we're going to cover 5 ways to build single property websites. And the first way is to create your own DIY site. You can simply create your own website with popular DIY site builders like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. WordPress is one of the most popular DIY sites. When you go this route, you will have to pay for a domain name and URL hosting, which costs about $15 a month. In addition, you will have to factor in the cost of any plugins or themes that you purchase. If you're already familiar with making WordPress sites, there's a single property website WordPress theme called Mason Co that you can purchase on ThemeForest. Mason Co only costs a one-time payment of $59 rather than having to pay an ongoing monthly fee. You'll get an unlimited amount of customizable single property websites. Features include a drag and drop page builder, 3 different homepage layouts you can choose from, photo gallery, schedule visit form, and property detail page. Mason Co works great with any browser and is optimized to also work on mobile devices. Next up is Rella. Rella is a dedicated single property website builder with dozens of templates you can choose from. They also promise a quick setup so that you can have your site up in minutes. To get started, enter your property's address. Rella will automatically import all of the property's details and statistics so that the only thing you have to worry about is uploading photos, videos, a floor plan, or a 3D virtual tour. You can upload an unlimited amount of photos. Lastly, select your template and your site will be ready to go. You can always change your template later. Another benefit to Rella is that it is optimized to work across all devices, which is important for making sure your site works on mobile phones. Rella offers several pricing plans for agents and brokers so that you can find what works best with your needs. At the time of this video, the starter plan begins at $24 per month on the annual plan or $29 on a month-to-month basis. This plan will get you 1 active real estate listing and up to 2 listing agents. The Plus plan starts at $49 per month on the annual plan or $59 monthly, and this gets you 5 active listings and up to 5 listing agents. And lastly, the Pro plan is $99 per month with the annual plan or $119 month to month. This will give you 25 active listings and 10 listing agents. And if you're a brokerage, you can pay $249 per month for unlimited listings and 15 full access accounts, with the options to add more as needed. All right, number 3, Cribflyer. Cribflyer is another single property website builder with a fast setup, custom domains, and beautiful templates. It also has built-in lead tracking and marketing. For example, Cribflyer has Google Analytics integrated into every site so that you can see how many people visit your site and what they do on it. You also have the option to add in photo galleries, videos, an interactive floor plan, and a virtual tour of the property you are featuring. Check out my post on iSpy 360 to learn more about one of the best virtual tour softwares on the market. Photos can be organized in any way that you like, and videos are embedded from popular video sites like YouTube and Vimeo. In addition, every site comes with an unbranded version for the MLS that doesn't include the agent's information. Cribflyer also has instant lead capture, which sends leads information to agents in real time through text or email. Cribflyer's pricing is based on how many single property websites you want to have. $7 per month for one property website, $10 for two, $15 for three, $20 for four, and $25 per month for 5 property websites. Number 4, single property sites. Single property sites is another single property website builder that integrates easy to set up sites with online marketing tools. What sets SPS apart from other builders is SPS's free view, which lets you create free showcase single property websites that you can bring to your clients at your listing appointment. SPS Free View is free for any real estate agent to use. All you need is an account on the platform. Then, once you win over the seller with the showcase site and they became your client, sign up for a paid membership with SPS to officially activate the site and get access to various real estate marketing features. SPS automatically generates several marketing options that you can take advantage of for maximum exposure, including video generation, social media posts, and printable flyers. In addition, SPS's lead capture works by sending you an email or text whenever you get a new lead so that you can ensure fast follow-up. You'll also get unlimited high-definition images, an option to add a virtual tour, and even access to print and curbside marketing. SPS is free to start but requires a payment plan to officially activate a website and access lead capture and real estate marketing features. There are 4 different pricing plans to choose from. Startup plan, which is $12 per month for one active property listing and $1 extra for lead capture. Next, you have the Do More plan, which is $19 per month for 3 active listings and $3 extra for lead capture. You can also go with the multi-user plan, which is $49 per month for 10 active listings and included lead capture. Lastly, you have the Team Office plan, which is $97 per month for 100 active listings and included lead capture. Hey, I'd like to take a real quick minute to tell you about my training academy. I've put together some great in-depth video-based training for real estate agents, new or experienced. So if you're looking for an actionable, step-by-step system that will help you get more leads and earn more money, enroll today at academy.kylehandy.com. And with that, we come to the last builder on our list, which is BrokerOne.io. BrokerOne.io offers pre-made, ready-to-go templates for residential and commercial properties. Themes are fully customizable, and there's even an option for custom website design for those who have more experience. In addition, there are also options to include personal branding across your single property website. BrokerOne.io offers a worry-free experience for those who don't have experience in web design. The platform takes care of SEO for real estate agents, lead generation, social media, and mobile optimization. And if you ever need help with anything, BrokerOne.io provides 24/7 customer service. Every single property website created with BrokerOne.io includes a photo image gallery, social media sharing, and floor plan options. There are 3 month-to-month plans that you can choose from. The basic plan starts at $15 per month for one real estate website. The Pro plan is $25 per month for up to 4 websites, and the Ultimate plan is $56 per month for 5 or more websites. Okay, so single property websites can be a great way to capture leads and grow your real estate business. You can promise extra content about the listing that they can't find anywhere else. These 5 single property website builders can help you create the perfect website to impress your client and successfully market your real estate listings. So if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now, I want to turn it over to you. Do you have experience with single property website builders? Which one will you try out, or are you already trying out? Let me know in the comments below. Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.